This lesson is on the present progressive. First, this is how the present progressive looks like. In the affirmative, we start the sentence with a subject. Then you need the auxiliary to be plus the ing form of the verb. He is listening to music. Listening comes from the verb to listen. And you're starting your car. Starting comes from the verb to start. Here again, you see that we used the auxiliary to be. You are starting your car. The negative form follows the same structure basically, but we add the negative in the form of not. Not and not. So he is not listening to music right now, or you are not starting your car. And finally, the yes/no question form. To form a question with the present progressive, we need to invert the position of the subject and the auxiliary to be. So from he is listening, we transform it into is he listening? And are you starting your car? You can only answer these questions by yes or no, but if you want to be more specific, you could always add a question word at the beginning. So instead of saying, is he listening to music right now? We could say, where? Where is he listening to music right now? Or, why are you starting your car? Now that we know what it looks like, we have to determine when to use it. First, we use the present progressive for actions that are happening right now, in the present. We use the present progressive to describe actions that are happening as we speak. Here, Lucy is checking out the new iPhone. It means that Lucy is, right now, she is looking at the new iPhone, checking out the new features. Here's another example. I can't talk to you right now. I am studying for the big test. We also use the present progressive for longer actions that are in progress. I can say that I am reading The Hunger Games, but it does not necessarily mean that I'm reading The Hunger Games right now. I might just be reading the book these days. So reading the book is a longer action in progress. The second example here, I'm working on a special project in sciences, also refers to a longer action in progress, because working on a project like that might require a few days or a few weeks, and the person is not necessarily working on the project at the very moment the person is speaking. Finally, we can use the present progressive for the near future. The near future refers to actions that are going to happen very soon. With the present progressive, you could ask your friend or brother a question like this. Are you visiting your grandmother this afternoon? The action is not right now. The action of visiting is not right now, but we know that it is going to happen soon, this afternoon. And someone could ask you, what are you doing this afternoon? Or what are you doing after school? And you would respond something like, oh, I'm playing baseball after school, or I'm studying after school.